Cleaning a mattress sounds like a lot of work. Therefore, to properly clean the mattress, you will need to make time for this. But don't forget that it's worth it, since you sleep on your mattress for an average of 7 or 8 hours every night, and especially when you consider that you are sweating on it every night and leaving dead skin cells on it. You can clean your mattress with just 3 simple steps. Today's video will discuss clean your mattress in 3 simple steps. With these simple steps, your mattress will be spotless again. 3 simplest steps. You can easily clean your mattress in 3 simple steps. 1. Remove dust mites and dust. The easiest way to tackle dust is to put an upholstery attachment on your vacuum cleaner. Run this over the top and sides of the mattress to suck away as much dust as possible. Press firmly on the attachment to remove dust that is below the surface of the mattress top layer. Then use a narrow attachment to get into the seams and along the edges. If you have a clothing steamer, go over the mattress with the steamer before you start vacuuming, to help kill and remove dust mites. 2. Remove old stains. If pets sleep with you, or if you like to eat in bed, chances are there will be some stains on your mattress. The easiest way to remove them is with a simple cleaning trick. To remove these stains on the mattress, you only need some baking soda, washing up liquid, and hydrogen peroxide. Put half of the peroxide in a bottle and add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Lastly, add a little dishwashing soap. Shake the bottle and use the mixture to clean your mattress. 3. Remove odors. You can make unpleasant odors disappear with an upholstery cleaner liquid. Mix the liquid with water in the correct ratio, as indicated on the package. Pat the cleaner on the mattress with a cloth or brush and let it soak for about 30 minutes. Then rinse it with clean water. Be sure not to saturate the mattress with the mixture. Allow the treated area to dry well before using the mattress again. Always check the instructions on the bottle. Sodium bicarbonate is also known for its ability to remove odors. Sprinkle it on the problem area and leave it for about 10 minutes before you remove it with the vacuum cleaner. This solution is more environmentally friendly. Are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below.